Grace Note dropped their latest EP entitled Quincenas at Walang Katapusan via Substar Music and was released on October 15, 2023. The EP features the tracks Cindy, Tigil, Taong Robot, and its latest single Tulog ng Tulog. It also features a special collaboration of Grace Note with OPM icon Jim Paredes of Apo Hiking Society titled Maiba Taya. Hello everyone, this is Kian from the Reaper Rocker. Welcome to Reaper's Music Reviews. On this episode, we will do an EP review on Grace Note's Quincenas at Walang Katapusan. I will share some of my thoughts in this EP. So if you're excited to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. My top favorites in this EP are Maiba Taya and Taong Robot. On Taong Robot, this is my most favorite track in the EP. What I like the most in this song is the message. It tells about the sad reality of workers who repeatedly doing the same thing every day, as the band compared the worker as a robot. It also reminds us that we should not abuse ourselves to work and be slave to money. This track is unique among of the other tracks from Grace Note, as we know that most of their tracks have more on the love theme. Let me share some of the lyrics. Wala nang oras sa sarili, araw-araw nagsisilbi, habang buhay ng bang alipin ng di sapat na salamin. The melody of the song offers a catchy vibe, especially on the electronic intro. It has a reminiscent a bit of Nintendo core sound, and it plays my ears very much. Moreover, Eunice sang the lyrics very well and she have a good voice. On Maiba Taya, what I like in this song is the incorporation of the folk music. Grace Note is leveling up their music by experimenting new sound that they could incorporate. I do appreciate it since it provides a new listening experience. It also gives a Filipino touch on the song. The collaboration with Jim Paredes of Apo Hiking Society adds the depth on the song and gives the emphasis on the song's message. The song's message is good. It tells about the marginalized people who were being abused by the corrupt leaders. Let me share some of the lyrics. Likas na gahaman, aagawan ang lahat. Hanggang ang yaman ay maubos, lahat ay uunahan. Kahit sino lalamangan, buhay man ang matapos. The honorable mentions is Tigil, and I put this song on the honorable mentions is due to Eunice singing. Her voice is soothing on this track and her singing style reminds me of their debut album, First Movement. Her transition from high notes to low notes is well appreciated. Whenever I'm stressed and wanted to relax, this track is on my bucket list. So far, upon listening this track, I don't see any least favorites. Grace Note nailed it once again. The band never failed us delivering good music. The momentum is there and all of the band members did their part. The MVP here is Eunice as she sang the songs perfect. The lyrical themes are broad and focus on different topics. I appreciate the approach that they did as an eye-opener for every listener on this EP. It would surely connect all the different people as they listen this. Furthermore, this would show that the band deepened their songwriting and not just focusing on love songs. Overall, I had fun listening this EP. It is highly recommended to listen this EP for the first-time listeners of Race Note. Looking forward for your future materials. Now, it's time for the verdict. What could I rate on this EP? I could rate this EP as 4.25 out of 5.
Let's check out the mosh spots that we could visit for the following days.
Another episode has been wrapped up, and let me know in the comment sections what's your thoughts on Race Notes, Quincenas at Walang Katapusan. Feel free to comment down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to send a thumbs on my video. We'll see you again in the next episode of Reaper's Music Reviews. This is Ian signing off. Rock on, Pilipinas!